So as we start to find your way into the space today, just relax your eyes, relax your jaw, maybe even shift from side to side in your seat. And just find a little comfort here. Good. When you're ready, allow for your belly to fill. Nice big inhale. Exhale, open your mouth. Let it go. So still keeping in mind that idea of both sides of the body staying nice and straight. We'll reach over to the side for a side body stretch. So right hand pressing into the mat, left fingertips reach up and over. Keep pressing the right hand while actively stretching the left side. Inhale, come up, other side. Left hand presses into the mat, right fingertips reach up and over. Good, belly button is pulling up and in. Inhale, come up. Good, remember that sensation when we go towards triangle today. Find your way to tabletop for just a moment. Good, as we're in tabletop, still feel the length on either side of the body. I want your big toes to touch, knees go nice and wide. Release your hips back for child's pose. Let your heart come down if that feels good. Maybe your forehead rest against the mat. Breathe here. Good, 2 more rounds of breath right here. Walk your fingertips forward, elongate your spine just a little bit more. Release your heart down. 1 more big inhale. And exhale, let it go. Inhale, find your way up to tabletop. Let your knees be just a little bit further back. Spread out your knees a little bit wide. Let your feet follow. Turn your palms inside, so turn those fingertips inside. And just shift your weight from side to side. Feel your core engaged. Keep length in the side body. Breathe here. So we're just making a little bit of space for ourselves. Good. 2 more rounds of breath. Good. When you're ready, we'll find our way to downward facing dog. So turn your fingertips so that they're facing forward. Tuck your toes, hips rise up, downward facing dog. Now your feet are a little bit wider than they generally are in downward facing dog. Sometimes our feet are close together, but we're taking a wide downward dog stance today. Breathe here. Good. Press evenly into your hands. Maybe even shift your weight to your thumb and your index finger. Tuck your chin, hollow out your belly. Walk your hands to the back of your mat. Forward fold back of your mat. Keep those feet nice and wide. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. And exhale, fold. Good. 1 more time. Inhale, flat back. Hands come to your shins. Look forward. Belly pulls up and in. Exhale, release down. Ragdoll pose. Grab the insides of your elbows. Inhale, come halfway up for space. Exhale, as you soften over, release your head, shift your weight from side to side. Good, keeping our feet nice and wide gives us some space to shift. Good, if you have abundance in your belly, it gives it space also so that you're not squeezing it over. When you're ready, find stillness, release your bind, heel toe your feet together. Inhale, halfway lift, look forward, and exhale, fold. Inhale, rise, palms touch. Exhale, hands come to heart center.